This is 2019 quadratic formula equation question. Okay, from starting, let's see again. A lamina consisting of a semicircle A. Okay, semicircle A with radius x units, and a sector B with angle at the center at 60 degrees, which is concentric with the semicircle. Okay, these two are concentric with each other. The area of A equals to area of B, we have to show this particular given quadratic equation was satisfied. Likewise, we have to show. Okay, for that, the basic thing, you should find area of sector A and B separately. So, area of sector A, that is equals to area of sector B. Area of B, sector B. This is the first thing we have to write. Then after, let's show. Area of sector, hence that is a semicircle, half into 5, radius was x for the semicircular portion, so that would be, okay, this is x, no, 5 x cap equals to area of B. Area of B means this is hence it is a sector 60 upon 360. 360 multiplied with 5. The radius of this one would be not x plus 4 altogether. This is x and this is 4. So x plus 4 क्या? X plus 4 क्या? Then after just usual simplification. Let's simplify as much as we can. So both sides holding 5, we can simplify that one. So here x क्या divided by 2, which is equals to 1 upon 6 x plus 4 क्या? X plus 4 क्या? So here I'll cross multiply. This dividend 2 should be multiplied over here, and the dividend 6 should be multiplied at this place. Likewise, 6x square is equals to 2 times x plus 4 whole square. X plus 4 whole square. Then let's expand. 6x square, that's equals to 2 x square plus 4. Its expansion would be x square plus 2 into 4 into x. That means plus 2 into 4, 8x plus 4 square, which is 16. Then after, let's continue working on this. Okay, so 6x down. So here, furthermore, we have to bring all the constituents to one side. So for that, I'll write 6x square. Okay, I'll bring the expansion of this one to right side, right to left. So 2 times x square, that will become negative 2x square. 2 times 8x, so negative 16x. 2 times 16, negative 32, which is equals to 0. 6x square and 2x square both together, 4x square minus 16x minus 32. But this is the equation what we got. But in the equation they were given in the question, there's a small deflection. What was that? Here, the x square does not have any coefficients. X square does not have any coefficients. So, what do we need to do is, you should bring 4 as a common factor in this case. Okay, we have to show 4 as a common factor in this case. Let's bring 4 as a common factor. Then after, inside the bracket, we have x square, 16 divided by 4, 4x, minus 32 divided by 4, that would be 8, which is equals to 0. So then after, the 4 multiplicand 4 will become a dividend. So let's bring that as a dividend to this side. So 0 divided by 4, 0 divided by any integral value, that will give you a 0. So finally, we got the given equation. X square minus 4x minus 8 equals to 0 divided by 4. 0 divided by 4 means that's usually 0. That's all for the equation. So you should show like this. When you show up to here, you will get up to 4 to 5 marks. 4 to 5 marks, very easy thing. There is no any direct question. They just given that we have to show area of these two sectors are same. Likewise, we have to show the given quadratic equation. That's all. We showed the given equation. Then after, by using 1.734 square root of 3, find an approximate value of the radius of sector B to the first decimal place. Okay, we have to find the x plus 4. Somehow when we found the x value, we can directly found x plus 4 in first decimal place. For that, the quadratic equation says x is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b star minus 4ac upon 2a. This is our quadratic equation. Very easy equation. So if you remember this, it's very easy to approach the equation. So before that, ax square, this is the common type. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is the common type of this equation. So a is the coefficient of x. So a is 1 here and b is the coefficient of x. B was negative 4 here. B was negative 4. Then after c, our c would be, okay, c value that was negative 8. B is negative 4 and c is negative 8. So we have to substitute the regarding values in the equation. Okay, let's substitute them. X is equals to negative b. Already b have a negative value. So negative into negative b. So negative into negative, that will become positive. Plus or minus negative 4 square. Negative 4 square means that would be, I'll write that one, negative 4 square minus 4 into a into a1 into c is negative 8. Okay, negative 8 divided by 2a. 2 times 1. 2 times 1. So we have to simplify this to get two possible answers for x. So let's simplify this furthermore. Plus 4 plus or minus. Inside the square roots we have negative 4 square, that would be 16. Minus into minus plus 32 divided by 2. Then 4 plus or minus square root of 48. So we can express 48 as 16 multiplied by 3. Okay, 16 multiplied by 3. You know how to show entire surd to partial surd. Likewise, we have to show that. 4 plus or minus this one. Sum of these two should be given as a multiplication of square number and another composite number. So 16 square root of 16 will become 4 square root 3 divided by 2. Here we will have two answers for x. One with positive and the one with negative. Before that, let's divide this. 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 3. Both can be divided by 2. Okay. 2 is a common denominator. No? So you should divide 4 and 4 square root of 3 respectively by the denominator 2. Yeah. Then one answer for x. Okay. One answer for x would be 2 plus 2 square root of 3. Or another answer for x with negative. X is equals to 2 minus 2 square root of 3. 2 minus 2 square root of 3. So here 2 plus 2 times square root of 3 is given as 1.73. So let's take it as 1.73. 2 plus it would be 3.46. 3.46. 5.46. 5.46. That's the answer we got for x in first case. In second case, 2 minus 3.46. That will give you x as negative 1.46. But this is not possible, no? So let's deduct this value because it should not refer to our answer because x is a linear length. Length cannot be a negative value, no? Length cannot be a negative value. So we can remove this one easily. Then after we have only one value for x. That would be 5.46. The question is to find the value for this sector B's radius. Sector B was x plus 4. Okay, x plus 4. That's the radius of sector B. X plus 4 means now we determine what is the only possible value for x, that is 5.46. So 5.46 added with 4. x plus 4. So 5.46 plus 4, that would be 9.46 to the first decimal place. After finding this value, you should round off for the first decimal place. That would be 9.5 centimeters. No, not centimeters, 9.5 units. Okay, 9.5 x units and x plus 4 units likewise. There is no any centimeter term indicated. Only they were used the term as units. So finally our answer would be 9.5 units respectively. That's